Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're passionate about creating incredible images using artificial intelligence, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into Leonardo AI, a powerful tool that can transform your creative ideas into stunning visuals. Whether you're on your phone, computer, or tablet, Leonardo AI has got you covered. Let's explore how it works. To get started with Leonardo AI, simply sign up with your email. This will open up the main interface where all the magic happens. Once you've launched the app, you'll notice a canvas on the left-hand side. This is your creative workspace where you can either draw what you want the AI to generate or type in a description of the image you have in mind. Leonardo AI offers a variety of art styles to choose from, ensuring that your generated artwork matches your creative vision. You can select styles such as cinematic, photographic, fantasy, sketch, or dynamic art. Each style brings a unique flair to your images, allowing you to customize the aesthetic to your liking. To take your artwork a step further, Leonardo AI provides an instant refine option. This feature enhances your generated images, making them look even better with just a single click. It's perfect for adding those finishing touches that make your creations pop. Also, Leonardo AI offers a suite of specialized models, each designed to cater to different creative needs. Here's a quick rundown of each model along with example prompts you can use. Phoenix 1.0. Phoenix 1.0 is Leonardo AI's flagship model, perfect for creating detailed and high-quality illustrations. Example prompt. Phoenix 0.9. Phoenix 0.9 is the earlier version of Phoenix, offering robust image generation for standard illustration needs. Example, prompt. Flux Dev. Flux Dev is designed for developers and power users who want to experiment with advanced and customizable features. Example prompt. Flux Schnell. Flux Schnell focuses on rapid image generation, perfect for quick turnarounds without sacrificing quality. Example prompt. Anime. The anime model specializes in creating stunning anime-inspired visuals. From intricate characters to dynamic, colorful settings, this model captures the charm and essence of Japanese animation. Example prompt. Cinematic Kino. Cinematic Kino is tailored for creating movie-quality visuals with rich lighting and dramatic effects. Example prompt. Concept art. The concept art model specializes in imaginative and creative visuals, ideal for brainstorming and idea development. Example prompt. Graphic design. Graphic design is perfect for creating polished and versatile graphics like logos, banners, and marketing materials. Example prompt. Illustration Albedo. Illustration Albedo excels in vibrant and detailed illustrations, perfect for projects that need rich color and texture. Example prompt. Lightning Leonardo. The Lightning model focuses on creating images with striking light effects and intense energy. It's perfect for scenes that require vibrant, dynamic lighting or high-contrast visuals to convey action and drama. Example prompt. Lifelike vision. Lifelike vision generates realistic images that closely resemble real-life photography, ideal for authentic visuals. Example prompt. Portrait Perfect. Portrait Perfect is designed for creating stunning and realistic portraits with attention to facial details and expressions. Example prompt. Stock photography. Stock photography provides a wide range of high-quality stock images suitable for various applications like websites and presentations. Example prompt. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Leonardo AI for more tech and creative tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Have questions? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.